Good evening, guys. Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for November 19th, 2024. We're going to take a look at some sniper trades of the day. This is SPY on a 3-minute bar. So the blue box is the OR3. In the 10th minute, we get the breakout to the upside. It fails quickly for a half an hour loss. We get a re-entry on a supported spring crossing when it crosses the PSAR, standard risk box. We add a second position after an hour and a half in hand, and it crosses the 3-period anchored VWAP. It closes after a range stat move, and so we end up getting 4R out of that rascal. On the 10-minute, we get the same entry and failure right away. We get a SSC entry at the skin of the dragon. We get a routine exit for 2R, a re-entry routine with a 1R exit. So the 3-minute was slightly better in terms of execution. Here's the DIA on 10 minutes. Big gap down. We go short, reverses for a half an hour loss, re-entry to the upside. It starts working right away. We get the dragon skin exit for 1R, immediate re-entry for a half an hour loss, a re-entry for a half an hour gain, so net 1.5 for the day. EWW on 10 minutes. Almost an hour into the day, we get the OR10 breakout. Skin of the dragon exit after 2R. This is Cliff Natural Resources on 10 minutes. There's your OR10. OR10 breakout, standard risk. 1R exit at the skin of the dragon. Kata 2 re-entry. Scratch. Kata 2 re-entry. Half an hour gain. So about 1.5. Nice orderly move. This is AI. It's a big gapper, OR10. Standard risk box, 4R. Kata 2 re-entry for another 3R. A total of 7 on AI. Expecting big things tomorrow on the follow through. Software company AI. Shifting to the daily report. $150-day look back. We're holding in the top 10%, waiting for some clarity from the government. Dashboard 1, bullish normal. Nice recovery day today. Volatility is favorable. Riding that rising dragon to the upside. Have a couple buy on dip opportunities in emerging markets and Europe. Sell off in DuPont and Devon. Big gains in Walmart today. In the ETFs, plenty of the auto framers available. DBA continues to thrive. A micro gain here in uranium and a little bit of a sell off in healthcare. But otherwise, the story is plenty of auto framers that test out very, very well. And you can see that broken out in great detail here. This is my primary sort. It's looking at the auto framer reward to risk ratio. You got some great opportunities there. And Caterpillar, DuPont, 3M, Brazil, Intel, and Treasuries. Coca-Cola especially looking good. On the squeezes, Treasury Silver Intel Caterpillar all attract my attention. Brazil is pretty close. Here's your auto framer in this TC2000 using the sniper framework. Lots to choose from. I really like Honeywell and US Steel. Mixed bag between the four seasons. We got plenty in both summer and winter. Story of the haves and the have-nots. Looking for technology to continue its run and gains in Walmart to continue. Frog value list, marijuana, clean energy, Intel, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir all continue to dominate the news and the trading opportunities. And yeah, you can see the Z scores of the RLs are all looking pretty good right now. The 10 has pulled back far enough that this is a natural place to find support and a reversal, and we saw that start today. So I'm looking for more follow through tomorrow. That's everything for today. We'll get this published and posted, and see you in the chat room.